To address this, Agarwal et al. Basically kind of went back to an approach that I'd also talked about before, which is what we're interested in doing is we want to be able to find cuts, not just blending from one to the other. So here example basically is something I'll show you here. This is something again from an effort by Quatra et al., where we basically, rather than actually just frame by frame do boundary matches, we find a surface between the two of them that actually lets you find a better match. So in essence, what that basically means is I have an input video and output video. I find a patch like this. And this, again, we had seen before was when we actually had videos like this. If you just did a simple video texture, you found blurring and kind of mixing of things going on. But if you actually did this kind of approach where you found a cut, you found a much better video sequence because the blending was much better from one frame to the other. Again, showcasing in this video example of a waterfall. If we just did graph cut textures, again, found the boundaries, you can see a much cleaner version, much defined transitions, and actually much better quality video. So in essence, we can use the same kind of thing here for us to help us do this. And in essence, that's what Agarwal et al. Did. So this was, of course, just finding a continuous digital slice and between boundaries of all of this to generate this new video volume. Well, what they suggested is rather than do this, find cuts between different one of them. You still get a continuous video volume here, is shown by this, but now rather than having simple cuts like this, you find different regions. And again, they use a min cut algorithm very similar to the graph cut algorithm to optimize over the costs to get this. Please look at the paper for more details, but you kind of see that this kind of way of generating a video volume allows us to, of course, have a much better way of looking at the results. And here, let's look at the same example again. Here basically is the video, and now with coherent fragments, much better, no more shearing going on, and actually get much cleaner transitions between each and every one of the frames to generate a much better video texture.